My name is Sandra Rodriguez. I am a political science student with a minor in communication, and I am a senior. Well, I decided to study political science here at St. Peter University for the reason that since a very young age, I have been passionate for history. And through the years, I found out that every major history event was made for political reason or to make a point through political process. My experience here at St. Peter University being a political science student is that I was available to be open-minded to different theory from the past and current events that are happening right now, and develop a more mindful ideas as what it should be a political science and what are the challenges that our nation or country is facing at this moment. Well, one of the goals that I have here after I finish here at St. Peter with a Bachelor in Political Science is to take a year, explore local and state government in public policy, so I can have a deeper understanding of the effectiveness of public policy at a local and a state level. And then I would like to pursue a master in public policy so I could be an expertise in the area in the years to come. There could be a lot of answer to that question, but what I could say is the pursuit of happiness in a democracy can be an individual putting their life to enjoy life and make their own decision where they want to be tomorrow or a year from now. In a democracy, every individual has the right to be free, and the definition comes with that. Being happy is being free.